Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, we can see that Bitcoin right now printed a new daily candle and is looking significantly more bullish than bearish at the moment. As we can see on the DBSI with a 10 there and the -2. Before it was a 15 with a red X, we actually closed the day off like that. But I just want everyone to be careful at the moment as we are fighting support right now and trying to stay above this yellow line. And we can see that we have a little bit of a downwards trend line at the moment right here from these two touch points down to here, and we did fight it a bit today. You can see on the 1 hour we had some battles up and down, and we actually had this big, looks like liquidation wick or stop loss wick, stop loss hunting all the way down at 58,000. So if you still had some long orders here, congratulations, you know, you're up now. That's for sure. You're up probably 6% now from those levels. So definitely looking to stop some people up before maybe going back up, which is looking like the case at the moment as we're breaking out. So if we are actually breaking out from here, it would be pretty bullish, and we could probably retest the highs at 67,000. Some people are saying we're going to top out at 65,000 and then come crashing down to 10,000. I don't know what that's all about, but I don't think that's going to happen. And we did a really good on our Ethereum trade today, and I closed it off right before the end of work right here around 42.23. Actually, we closed it off right here 42.21 before the wick down to follow Bitcoin all the way down to 41.16. So you know, congratulations everyone that followed my trade. But if you had your own trade going, you held on, you'd be up a nice 12% right now. So congratulations to you. You deserve those gains. And we could actually see that Ethereum is just, you know, flying right now, going to test the all-time high, I believe, at 44,000. So let's just zoom out, take a look at that. I believe the all-time high now is set at 40. Oh, we are at the all-time high at 43.87. So let's see if we can break that and start moving to new highs, guys. Look, Ethereum looking really good, and we could see that our VeChain investment is actually coming back up right now pretty quickly. We're holding this support line right here, this trend line, as we can see, a nice bounce there and a nice bounce there. And we can take a look on the smaller time frames. You guys can tell that these are actually significant nice bounces. So at every dip, if you bought some more, then congratulations. Or our first buy was right here before this nice leg up to 14 cents. I believe that now that Bitcoin's coming back up, we're going to see some new highs right now. Dogecoin had a crazy day with Shiba Inu. For everyone that knows, I don't own any Shiba Inu and I don't own any Dogecoin. My brother owns Dogecoin. He's a big Doge holder and he bought at 2 cents. So if you didn't buy at the beginning, then obviously I don't know if I would recommend buying at these levels, right? So let's take a look also at this chart right here on Bitcoin. As we could see that we actually did break out from this. So we had this initial trend line on the 1 hour chart with these two touch points coming back down, and we can see that we broke out, tried to hold as support, ended up breaking back down to all the way to 58,000, and now we're starting to pump back up to the upside. We could see that there was some resistance here, but not much, and we can see that we're moving up towards the upside pretty nicely. And you know, I'm expecting some big moves, possibly making a new high. We could see that Bitcoin doesn't have any bearish divergences at the moment, which is really nice to see. I would actually call this maybe potentially a bull flag, like I said in a couple videos back right here. We could possibly be, you know, trading sideways in here and then breaking out, so something like this. So let's take a look just from like some targets like this, and then you can copy that and paste it one more time, and then you got your breakout from here. So if we do breakout from here, maybe we'd be heading up to 83,000. So technically speaking, if this is a bull flag pattern, then we're going to 83,000. I mean, that would be the target. I'm not saying it's a guaranteed bet that we're going to 83,000, but yeah, we have a good chance of testing those levels. And we can see that the stock market is just fighting its way back up at the moment, with oil, everything having a nice little rally today. I think Joe Biden announced a $1.75 trillion spending bill, a social bill. If you want to call it that. I would say it's a waste of money, but obviously some people have different opinions. So anyways, on the daily time frame, we can see that we are actually holding the EMA ribbons quite nicely. Like I said before, we did take a dip down to test them as support. Now that we've tested as support, let's see if we can make our next leg up to our next target at 87,000, right? Alright, you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades tomorrow, and I'll hit you guys up with the morning video. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.